Welcome to MB Tool Reviews. Today on the channel we're looking at the AUX silicone profiling tool for tight spaces. This is part 2 of a 3-part series on silicone and silicone profiling tools. This tool comes with 9 different heads for finishing silicone sealant. It comes with 3 heads which have a bevel on them. In different sizes, then 3 radiused rounded heads, and 3 of these chisel tip flat style heads. The heads go from 6mm, 9mm and 12mm. I believe the rounded and the beveled heads are the same. This is an American tool, the brand is AUX, and I had it imported from America on Amazon. The total cost of the tool, including the shipping fees, which Amazon paid for, was £21.25. I'm sure it's probably a little bit cheaper in America. Okay. So we'll take a look at the purpose of the use of the tool now. So I've set up this test jig here. I've put some screws in to create obstacles for the silicone sealant tool. I've applied a fresh bead of silicone. I'm going to apply one of the heads to the top of the tool. I'm going to use the medium beveled head first to run through and see how it goes. So that took quite a lot of silicone off. Okay, so I've just given it a second pass, and the bead, although it's small, looks fairly decent. I'll now show you this tool being used on an actual job, and you can see the quality of the tool and how it actually works out in the real world as opposed to on a test demonstration. I hope you enjoyed this video. This is part 2 of our 3-part silicone series. The first was our Kramer profiling silicone kit. If you haven't seen that video, please check it out. And stay tuned for our next video, which is going to be a comparison of the best way to apply silicone sealant, looking at straight tips and angle tips of the caulking gun, and whether you should use washing up liquid or a different detergent to smooth off your bead. Thank you for watching today's video. Please remember to like and subscribe, and comment down below if you have any questions about this tool or any other tools.